Have you ever held paradise in your hands and lost it in a single breath? I walked with God in the cool of the day. His voice was my song, His presence my home. Every tree was ours to enjoy, every fruit sweet to the taste, except one. Only one tree was set apart, and we thought we could resist. But temptation has a voice. I saw her pause by the tree. A serpent's voice, soft yet piercing. Did God really say? I froze. My heart pounded. Why didn't I speak? Why didn't I run? She ate, and then she turned to me, her eyes pleading, her hand trembling as she offered it. In that moment, I chose her over him. I bit, and the sweetness turned bitter on my tongue. Suddenly, I knew shame. Nakedness was no longer innocent. We hid among the trees, the very trees that once brought us joy. His footsteps came, not in anger, but in sorrow, and his voice, "Adam, where are you?" broke me. The serpent was cursed. Eve was told her pain would multiply, and I heard my sentence. The ground itself would resist me. Sweat and sorrow would be my portion until I returned to dust. I turned back only once. The garden, guarded by fire. The place where I walked with God, gone. And yet, even in his judgment, there was mercy. He clothed us with garments of skin, covering our shame. My fall was great, but his love, even greater. We lost Eden, but God never abandoned us. What would you have done if you were me? Would you have resisted or chosen as I did? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.